Learn and play online.
This is a digraph. A digraph is when you have two letters that make one sound. When you have the letters N and G together, it makes the sound Can you give it a try? Now let's say it loud. Now let's say it quietly. Let's say it fast. Let's say it slow. Now that you know the phoneme that N and G make together, let's blend it with some other phonemes to read words. S, I, ng, sing. R, I, ng, ring. K, I, ng, king. L, O, ng, long. L, A, ng, s, lungs. W, I, ng, s, wings. B, A, ng, bang. St, R, O, ng, strong. Now it's your turn to blend the ng words on your own.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.